Hi Virgo, this message is for you for this week, that is the 8th of February to the 14th of February. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here is meant for everyone. Also, this is Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Whichever placement you have, this message could be for you. If you're watching, there could be some message meant for you. Although, please don't get attached to anything. If the message resonates, allow it to come in. If it doesn't, allow it to go. Alright, Virgo, this is for you for the Valentine's week. Let's see what the week has got. Somehow felt like pulling this card for you. Alright, Virgo. From the Oracle, you have the Fates. And then you have Orphaned. Something that you thought is destined, or this is meant to be, this is it, this is my all, somewhere may not be. And I think you may be experiencing it already, Virgo. You felt blessed having this person. Everything, whatever is happening is a blessing, just that we don't see it at that time. We never realize it at that time. Take a deep breath, Virgo. Whatever messages is want to come through for you, allow it to come in. The energies could go vice versa. So if you're dealing with a Virgo, this message could be for you as well. Alright, let's see. This is for Virgo for the week of 8th to the 14th of February. For Virgo. Taurus has the same overall energy, just in case you want to check that out, or you could be dealing with a Taurus. Wow, Virgo, what's happening? I only see beautiful energies here. Alright, so the overall energy of the reading is the Queen of Pentacles. A lot of time for self-nurture. Let's pull this too. Yes. You may be walking away from something. You may be walking away from something. You may be emotionally disconnecting and walking on your path, moving forward in your life. Let's see. In the recent past, you have the Lovers, the Emperor and the Page of Pentacles. A relationship of some sort taught you something new. This could be a new person who came into your life, somebody who came in very recently, somebody who gave you a different idea of relationships. Maybe an Aries or a Gemini. In the current energies, you have the Six of Swords, the Ace of Cups and the Ten of Cups. You may be moving forward towards a new relationship, or while you are all alone enjoying your solitude, something might come your way that could go the distance. That could be a long-term relationship. In the immediate future, you have the Magician, the Six of Cups and the Two of Wands. You have definitely manifested this past life soulmate or the past person, not sure who, to come back. you may have very well manifested this. Let's see. Let's clarify things here. Let's clarify. I think we'll take that. Okay, so you may have wanted to move forward. We are clarifying the Six of Swords. You get the Fool and the Seven of Swords. Even though you may be wanting to move forward, you may not quite yet. Sorry about that, Virgo. I think you have not yet taken that leap of faith to move forward. You may be wanting to move forward, but you have not done that quite yet. You may be contemplating. Some of you could be, this energy could go both ways. You or your person has a sneaky behavior of coming in and then leaving, coming in and leaving. There's a little bit of unsurety here. Not sure of what should I exactly do. Some kind of confusion I do sense here. Alright. Should I end this and move forward? Should I not end this? Alright, let's see the Ace of Cups here. Wow. If you move forward, you could be moving into definitely a long-term relationship. Whoever this person is, if this person is not already into your life, this person is definitely going to bring in some healing to your pain. Definitely very much worthy of marriage. But for that, you need to stand in your power. You need to become stronger. You need to be able to decide for yourself. Alright? Let's see the Two of Wands here. Clarify the Two of Wands here, please. What is here? Let's see the Two of Wands. Clarify the Two of Wands, please. Alright. Yes, that's it. We already have too many cards. Okay. For the Two of Wands, you have the Page of Wands, you have the Tower, Seven of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. Instead of admiring, looking at the beauty of the things, instead of curiosity, and instead of waiting, and here I do sense a lot of time that is being wasted. A lot of waiting that's happening. There could be a tower if you don't take an action. For some of you, if you're still standing there, stuck to your past, waiting, there could be a tower moment that's coming in. Let's see what the Magician is. What's the Magician here, please? You're definitely manifesting love. The Six of Cups here. For Virgo, Six of Cups here. The Six of Cups, please. Alright. A soulmate. Definitely a soulmate. You are manifesting a soulmate into your life. Don't resist when the person is willing to come in, when the person is wanting to come into your life. Please don't resist. Don't sit back and wait. There's something that just flipped over. Yeah. You could be dealing with a Libra, or a Libra might be the person coming into your life now. Yes, but definitely something is going to blow up if you don't, if you are still waiting, if you're still stuck. Yes, that stuckness could be a pattern of yours in relationships. Just try to understand what is the pattern that you have been following in every relationship of yours. It could be any relationship, a friendship, a business partnership, a lover, any sort of relationship. What is it that is most painful and difficult for you to do in a relationship? Is it letting go? Is it forgetting and forgiving? What is that pattern? I think if you don't get out of that pattern, there is a tower moment coming in, Virgo. There is a beautiful love that wants to come in. I hope you do recognize it when it does. A, a brand new love here. I do sense a brand new love that could go the distance. I do see that you have already detached in some way from the previous person. For some of you, there could be a lot of healing that's already happened, and the person who's coming in could work like magic for your heart. Virgo, that's the message I have for you guys. Hope this resonated with you. If not, please watch out for your moon, rising, Venus, or Jupiter. Please take what resonated and leave what did not. Okay, Virgo, until next time, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.